Today we're making a simple barrel that's easy to fit in every Dungeons & Dragons adventure. For this I'm starting with a cylinder shape and work my way from there. We wanted the bottom to have a closed lid with a cork and the top to be open. That way we can have them open or closed depending on how they are placed. The first barrel was ready for print and we noticed it needed some rework and fixing in Blender since it had some minor flaws. It got some gaps on the side and it was also printing infill, which was not intended. After some editing, we were happy with the result, so we tried printing several barrels at once to speed up the process. We used some epoxy to fix the gaps in the first barrel we printed and decided we could paint the infill as water. We painted some barrels each in brown shades and used metallic color for the barrel rings. For a weathered look, we used wash as a finishing coat. When the paint was dry, we coated them in varnish for a better and long-lasting result. Now they are ready for battle!